Plant FAQs, Lomandra Platinum Beauty. Lomandra Platinum Beauty, your guide to this striking ornamental grass. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to answer your questions about the Lomandra Platinum Beauty, a stunning variegated ornamental grass that brings year-round elegance to your landscape. The Lomandra Platinum Beauty, also known as white sands in some regions, is a tough, evergreen perennial that resembles a grass, but is technically not. This sun-loving beauty boasts narrow, green leaves edged in creamy white, creating a striking visual contrast. It thrives in hot, dry climates and requires minimal maintenance, making it a perfect choice for busy gardeners or water-conscious landscapes. What are the key features of Lomandra Platinum Beauty? Variegated foliage. The showstopper feature is its foliage. Long, slender leaves boast a vibrant green center with creamy white margins, adding a touch of brightness to any garden. Evergreen. This low-maintenance plant offers year-round interest. Unlike many grasses, Lomandra Platinum Beauty retains its foliage throughout the winter, adding a touch of life to the colder months. Drought tolerance. This champion thrives in hot, dry climates. Once established, it requires minimal watering, making it ideal for water-conscious landscapes. Moderate growth rate. The Lomandra Platinum Beauty grows at a moderate pace, reaching a mature size of 3 to 4 feet tall and 3 to 5 feet wide. This manageable size makes it suitable for various landscaping applications. Deer resistance. Deer tend to avoid Lomandra Platinum Beauty, offering peace of mind to gardeners worried about browsing wildlife. Where can I plant Lomandra Platinum Beauty? This versatile plant thrives in various settings. Here are some ideas. Borders. Add a touch of elegance to your garden borders with a row of Lomandra Platinum Beauty. Containers. The striking foliage makes a bold statement in pots and planters, adding a touch of vibrancy to patios and balconies. Mass plantings. Create a low-maintenance, visually appealing ground cover with mass plantings of Lomandra Platinum Beauty. Coastal gardens. This salt-tolerant plant is a great choice for coastal landscapes. Slopes. The dense root system of Lomandra Platinum Beauty helps prevent erosion on slopes. How do I care for Lomandra Platinum Beauty? Lomandra Platinum Beauty is a low-maintenance plant that requires minimal effort to thrive. Here's a quick guide. Sunlight. Plant your Lomandra Platinum Beauty in a location that receives full sun to partial shade. Watering. Water deeply once a week during the first growing season, then reduce watering to once a month or less once established. Soil. This adaptable plant thrives in well-drained soil, whether sandy, loamy, or clay. Fertilizer. Fertilizing is not necessary for Lomandra Platinum Beauty. However, if desired, a light application of a balanced fertilizer in spring can promote healthy growth. Pruning. Pruning is not typically required. However, you can remove any dead or damaged leaves to maintain a neat appearance. What are the common pests and diseases affecting Lomandra Platinum Beauty? Lomandra Platinum Beauty is generally resistant to pests and diseases. However, in rare cases, it may be susceptible to mealybugs or scale. If you notice any infestation, treat the plant with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Can Lomandra Platinum Beauty be propagated? Yes, Lomandra Platinum Beauty can be propagated through division. The best time to divide the plant is in spring or fall. Simply dig up the clump and carefully divide it into sections, ensuring each section has healthy roots and foliage. Replant the divisions in their new locations and water them well. Conclusion. The Lomandra Platinum Beauty is a low-maintenance, versatile ornamental grass that adds year-round beauty to your landscape. Its striking variegated foliage, drought tolerance, and ease of care make it a perfect choice for busy gardeners or water-conscious landscapes. With proper planting and minimal care, you can enjoy the beauty of Lomandra Platinum Beauty for years to come.